While I was serving in the NYSC, I got a job in a company where I got to intern as a social media manager and a content creator. And when I finished my NYSC, I left my former job and I got another job in another company, hiring me as a social media manager and a content creator. Also in 2024, I was able to save quite a lot of money and also invested in some stocks and coins. And this is how I did it. This video are for people that want to make 2025 their best year. If you don't want to make 2025 your best year, then you can keep strolling. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In 2024, I don't know when you're seeing this video, but in 2020, while I was serving in the NYSC, I got a job in a company where I got to intern as a social media manager and a content creator. And when I finished my NYSC, I left my former job and I got another job in another company, hiring me as a social media manager and a content creator. Also in 2024, I was able to save quite a lot of money and also invested in some stocks and coins. And this is how I did it. First and foremost, I would like you to get a jotter and a pen so you can put down your goals, because when you put them down, that is where you can track them. My number one point here is finding your purpose. Finding your purpose in life is very, very important. I mean, life becomes clearer when you already know what you are going to do. So if you found your purpose, congratulations. But if you haven't, then you need to find your purpose in life. What is your purpose in life? What do you like doing? What do you enjoy doing? What is that thing that really gives you joy when you are doing them? What is your passion? What is that thing that you love doing? That is your purpose. Think deeply about it. Once you find your purpose, then that is beautiful. We can proceed to the next stage, which is invest in your skills. Invest in skills. The world is evolving and a lot of things is changing. Like in this 21st century, if you don't have a skill, you need to get one. This is how I got to be a social media manager. Even before I finished school, I already have a YouTube channel of my own. I noticed that I'm someone that likes talking, and yeah, I thought about it. Let me start a YouTube channel. That was how I started my YouTube channel in school. And then I thought about it, how can I monetize my skills? And then I said, and then I started making research that social media a lot. So I thought of a way to monetize my skill. That was how I got to know that there is a skill, a social media managing skill that can actually help me monetize my skill. And then I took a course. I started reaching out to people. I wrote my CV, and that was how I got a job in a company offering me to intern in their company as a social media manager and a content creator. Imagine if I did not take a skills on how to become a social media manager. How am I going to get the job? That's why they say opportunity always comes but once. So if the opportunity presents itself, are you ready to take the opportunity? Always try to find a way to be better. Okay, there are many skills that you can actually pick. You're someone that likes social media like me, you can take a course on social media management, you can become a virtual assistant. I mean, there are so many jobs online these days. Just get a skill on how to become a professional in that field. Virtual assistant, product management. I have a friend that transitioned from a French student to being a product manager, and now she's doing so well. What did she do? She took a course. Another point I have here is pick a mentor, a role model. We always have a role model. Look up to people that are in that field that you want to choose, people that are doing better in that field that you want to choose. You want to become a footballer now, but your role model is a comedian. How does that correlate? Pick a mentor that are doing well in your field, a mentor that is doing the same thing that you want to do. There's nothing you want to do in this life that we don't have people that are successfully doing them already. So look for those people and replicate whatever they are doing. Whatever that works for them, replicate it and see how it's going to change your life for better. Another point I have here is start a side hustle. It can be anything at all. It can literally be anything at all. Anything that can fetch you money, start it. This also applies to me because in 2025, I'm going to be starting a side hustle that would give me money. You can start a lip gloss business. You can start selling ladies underwear. You can start selling sneakers. There are so many side hustles that you can easily do online these days. Start a side hustle today. If you want to build a career in an official organization, start hunting for a job. Apply for jobs. The job will not come and meet you. You have to stand up and search for opportunities yourself. And that leads me to my next point, which is step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes you'll be the one to look for opportunities yourself. Opportunities will not come and meet you. You have to be the one to look for opportunities. And if you don't step out of your comfort zone, how are you going to get it? Those things people think you can't do, you need to start doing them. Step out of your comfort zone. And that is how you can make it. People that make it are people that are bold, that do not hold themselves back. Another point I have here is financial independence. If there is one thing you need to take so seriously in 2025, it is your finances. Save aggressively, invest wisely. You can't depend on anyone. You really can't depend on anyone. There is nobody that is going to save you unless you save yourself. Someone said something that if you don't earn like them, don't spend like them. If you're not making money like some people, then don't spend money unnecessarily. This applies to me because I'm a lavish spender too. I spend money anyhow. But I've come to realize that if I'm not making this much money, there's no way I want to afford all of this things. So that's what I'm saying, save money. But then in Nigeria, with this our Nigeria economy, I'm not going to suggest that you save in Naira. You can actually save in dollars. By saving in dollars, your money will keep increasing. And also invest. I invested in stock. Fidelity stock to be precise. I bought this stock for 25,000 naira, and today I have like 9,000 naira interest on it. It might not be much, but it is something. And I bought those stock like that. Like I think I put almost like 100 and something thousand naira in stock, and today I have over more than. It might not be too much, but small stuff that is coming from there. I would say it's some theoretical king there. There are some investments that are like low risk but low return, just like stock. Yeah, if you invest in stock, you get low money, you get low interest, but there are low risks also. But there are also other investments like coins, high risk but high return. Imagine if you put 100,000 naira in Bitcoin when it was 50,000 naira. Now BTC is over $90,000, and do you know how much you're going to get? You're going to be having like double of that money right now. So invest. Take every opportunity. I am someone that if they say this one will give you money, I will try it. If they say there's another thing that's going to give you money, I'm going to try it, because this bag must be secured. Money must be made. I must make money. I must make this money. So take every opportunity. Try everything. Shook your head in different stuff. Take your finances seriously. Take your financial independence seriously. People that you're watching on TikTok, they have beautiful houses, beautiful places, that are traveling here and there. They might be trust fund, baby. You don't know where people are getting their money from. So if you're not saving, you people like me and you that are like struggling. I don't know if some people might not be struggling actually, but you actually want to build yourself. So you might need to put some effort in making money, in securing the bag. Because if you're just lazing around and doing nothing, there's no how you're going to get this money. The last but not the least that I have here is surround yourself with growth-oriented people. People that have the same minds like you, like-minded people, people that want to do great things like you, people that will inspire you. They said the kind of circle that you have around can either elevate you or limit you. So surround yourself with people that are going to inspire you to do better, people that are going to inspire you to actually put effort in whatever that you want to achieve, that goals that you have written down, people that are going to help you actualize it, people that are going to help you make it come true. Those are the people that you should surround yourself with. Not people that you know that these ones that like they are doing the way opposite of what you want to achieve, and then you are following them. Write your goals and break them down. I want to become a social media manager. How are you going to become the social media manager? How? If you did not build up your portfolio, if you don't take a course on how to become a social media manager, if you don't hunt for a job, then how are you going to become a social media manager? Break down your goals. Break down your goals. How you're going to achieve them. Give yourself time. Between January 1st to February ending, I must have achieved this. That is how you can achieve your goal. That is how you can track them. Thank you for watching, and let me know things that I skip in the comment section. See you in 2025, and I hope 2025 will be our best year. You better act on everything that I said. Hit the subscribe button if you have not, and turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload my video. In this 2025, we are standing on business and taking everything seriously. Amen. Bye.